What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. In this video, we're going to be doing rapid fire question segment number 53. But first, alright guys, so let's jump right into this. You ask the questions, I try to provide the answers. I don't know everything, but I try to share the knowledge that I do know and have gained over the years of being in car audio. So this is frequency. I'm already on the car audio tip. Frequently asked question segment number 53. So we're going to start out with Mr. Venerable Sounds. Says, hey JP, big fan from the Caribbean. Oh, I love the Caribbean. Beautiful down there. I'm planning on doing 2 Def Bonds Apocalypse 4515R dual 2s 15-inch subwoofer. What amp do you recommend to push them? I would do the JP83. You'll be running it at half ohm. I think you would run those pretty good, but a lot of people say those subwoofers are really power hungry. They can take a ton of power. So you may want to look at doing a JP63 per subwoofer. So 2 different options for you there. Up next we have Johnathan Clark. Says, I have a question for you, JP. So I have 4 12-inch Rockford T1s. Would you recommend that I get one huge amp to run all of them at once, or should I get an amp for each sub? I'm trying to make my system as loud as I possibly can. I definitely recommend running them all off of one JP series amplifier. I'm not sure how much power those subs are rated at, but for instance, if they're rated at 500 watts RMS, I would do like a JP33 because you're going to have a decent amount of impedance rise. If they're rated at like 1000 watts RMS, I would do like a JP63, give you a little bit more overhead. But anyway, I would recommend doing one amplifier on those subs. Up next we have Goated Figure. What sub would you recommend more? Either the Crossfire C7 or the Incriminator Audio Death Row. Death Row, hands down. End of story. Up next, Master Beta 343. Can a U15, Sundown U15, 1500 watts RMS run off of a JP23 version 2 safely? It'll be 1300 over the RMS power. Otherwise, I may run 2 of them on a JP33. I think it would be okay on a JP23 version 2. Just pay attention to it, don't clip it, make sure you're not getting out of box tuning too much, and I think you'll be okay. Those subs can handle pretty good power. And last but not least, we have Victor Wiggins. It says, will the Assault 8 be too much power for a single 12-inch DC audio level 5 2 ohm sub at 3500 watts RMS? Yes. You're gonna blow that sub up. That's way too much power for that sub. If it's just one of them, yeah, it says single 12. So yeah, I'd recommend going with the Salt 6 at the most, or JP63. The thing is, the more power you put on a subwoofer, even if it can take it for a short amount of time, it's gonna be so much power. You're only gonna be able to play it for a short amount of time. So that's kind of the trade-off. The more power you shove on a sub, the less you get playtime wise. You're going to heat it up so fast by trying to put so much power through it, it's not going to last that long. But anyway, that's going to conclude this frequently asked questions segment. If you have any questions for me, ask them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them for you in the next one. As always, I appreciate you checking out the video. Hit us up at downforsoundshop.com or give us a call at 702-701-9800. In the next one. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.